This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella hot chocolate. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of Nutella, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Also, grab a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start combining our ingredients. Pour 2 cups of your preferred milk into a medium saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat. Next, add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy Nutella and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to the milk. Begin whisking gently but continuously. This ensures the Nutella and cocoa powder fully dissolve into the milk, creating a smooth, rich base for your hot chocolate. Once your base is smooth, it's time to sweeten it up. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like your hot chocolate. A tiny pinch of salt is also a secret ingredient. It truly enhances the chocolate flavor. Keep whisking gently as the mixture heats. You want it to be steaming hot, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can alter the texture and taste. Your delicious Nutella hot chocolate is now ready. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light dusting of cocoa powder on top. Take a moment to savor the rich, creamy, and comforting flavors of your homemade creation. It's the perfect warm drink for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.